Want to know how to mute multiple tracks or mute more than one tracks or all of your audio tracks of a project in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and here I have this project on me right here. Now, if I want to mute both of these tracks or to mute the entire audio of the track, I can just simply hit towards tracks right here on top on this first navigation bar right here, and here you can see mute and unmute. That's it right above pan. Just simply hover on it, and here you should be seeing mute all tracks. So you can just simply select it, and you can see this gray line up here. So this is the mute being affected. Now you can also select Ctrl+U to mute all tracks again, and in order to unmute it, you can just simply do the same thing. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.